Deep in the forests of Clementon, an investigator attempted to camp at a new site known for strange occurrences. As the night grew late, he heard unmistakable sounds of someone nearby. He peered out of his tent and was shocked to see a woman standing in the distance, staring back at him.
Gak terlalu jauh dan tidak terlalu dekat. Loh. Siapa ini? Loh. Mau kemana? Jam 12 malam.
Despite his warnings for her to leave, she remained motionless for several moments before disappearing in the blink of an eye.
Jangan ke sini. Aku ada pisau di sini. Ke tempat lain aja, ke tempat lain. Ke tempat lain aja. Jangan mengganggu ke sini. Pergi dah, pergi. Gak ada makanan di sini. Pergi. Men, kemana orangnya, men? Cepet banget.
A courageous explorer decided to spend the night alone in a forest whispered to be inhabited by restless spirits. While testing his resolve, the distant sound of weeping echoed through the trees, prompting him to find the source.
Astagfirullah. Astagfirullah. Siapa itu?
As a heavy rain began to fall, he retreated to his tent for shelter. The peace was short-lived when a woman's voice called out from just outside the canvas. A nearby CCTV camera captured a clear, horrifying figure watching the tent from the shadows.
Suara apa itu? Apa itu? Apa itu?
the Horror Channel 1 Sumatra visited an isolated hut located in the middle of a large plantation. Everything seemed normal until a pale head suddenly emerged from behind the investigator, unnoticed at first. Strange sounds began to echo from above, leading him to search the area.
Assalamualaikum. Astagfirullah. Astagfirullah. La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah. Astagfirullah. 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 La. La. Hilang.
Suddenly, a full-bodied entity appeared directly in front of him. As he moved closer, the figure's head detached and began to float through the air before vanishing. Investigator Jupri Karim set up camp at a notorious location to document any paranormal activity. While explaining the history of the site to the camera, a crimson figure was captured floating silently directly behind him.
Kita cuma mendengar suara-suara di area sekitar tenda ini, teman-teman. Kun fayakun. Masya Allah. Iran abadan abadah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Teman-teman, ini anehnya ini ya, makhluk ini kayak bentar-bentar menghilang ya teman-teman, bentar-bentar menghilang makhluknya ini.
Later, as he tried to relax inside his tent, the entity reappeared right at the entrance, causing him to panic. External cameras confirmed the presence of a persistent spirit that seemed intent on driving him away from the site. Kapranala ventured into an abandoned building that locals have long avoided due to frequent sightings. While exploring the dark rooms near an old well, he felt a sudden, heavy presence behind him. Turning around, he was startled to find an entity standing right in his path.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. La haula wala quwata illa billah. La ilaha illallah. Bentar ya guys, saya nggak baca komen kalian karena saya takut kodok di sini. Kok saya ngerasa ada sesuatu di belakang saya. Monyong! Kampret! Sialan lo.
As he tried to distance himself, phantom hands began to reach out from the walls to terrorize him. The investigation ended when a towering, terrifying figure blocked his only exit.
Waalaikumsalam ya hal haram. Ya hal rah. Ya hal ghaib. Ya hal jasad. Ya rijal ghaib. Hadir. Ada suara. Ada suara sini. Wasu! 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 Wasu!
This unsettling footage comes from the Sabam Explore channel, where a team ventured into a local plantation to investigate reports of terrifying late-night activity. Upon arrival, the overgrown and neglected state of the land was immediately apparent, creating a heavy atmosphere. As they pushed through the dense weeds, the silence was broken by a sound resembling heavy breathing or snoring. Suddenly, a figure appeared clearly in the brush before the camera lights mysteriously failed. When the light returned, the entity had vanished into the darkness.
Siapa?
Ada orang di sini. Kayak ada suara. Masa suara babi sih? Kayak suara ngorok. Kayak ada suara ngorok. Loh, kenapa mati? Hilang.
Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah. Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah.
In a continuation of a previous investigation, the Sabam Explore team faced a terrifying ordeal when one member was separated and went missing in the brush. As the leader searched frantically, his flashlight began to dim, adding to the terror. He eventually found his friend, who appeared to be in a trance-like state and unaware of his surroundings. Just as they reunited, a face appeared once more in the thicket, forcing them to flee the area in total desperation.
Mana sih dia nih? Aduh, lampu gak ada cahayanya lagi. Bill? Bill? Mana kamu? Apa itu sana itu? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul a'udzu birabbin nas, malikin nas, ilahin nas, min syarril waswasil khannas, alladzi yuwaswisu fi sudurin nas, minal jinnati wan nas. Bil! Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar! Itu muncul lagi nah. Tuh. Itu nah. Tuh. Itu nah. Tuh, ya kan? Ya kan? Tuh. Lari. Tunggu.
Senterku.
Hah?
Senterku.
Senternya jatuh.
Ya.
Tunggu, Amros, ikut sini aja. Udah. Udah sini aja. Udah kamu gak usah ikut. Mantap di senternya. Oh ini. Oh ini senternya.
Dimas.
Mana?
Dimas.
La ilaha illallah.
A hunter named Sapam Explore decided to test his courage by walking through a local plantation path at night. Locals had warned him that the area was off limits after dark due to frightening apparitions that appear out of nowhere. As he walked alone to prove the myths, he suddenly saw a figure that made him gasp in terror. Though he tried to recite prayers, the feeling of being watched was so intense that he ultimately decided to retreat, realizing it was not safe to be there without a companion.
Dari awal saya masuk memang sudah merinding banget sih, karena tadi itu waktu saya masuk ke sini, saya sempat ditegur sama warga di depannya, katanya ngapain, katanya nggak boleh masuk ke sini kalau sudah malam. Nah di situ dia cerita, nggak mau bahas di sini. Saya ingin buktikan langsung aja kalau memang warga yang cerita itu benar ya. Apa saat itu? Kayak ada melihat. Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah. Aman sih. Udah aman. Mungkin saya panggil teman saya aja. Kalau sendiri jujur saya nggak berani. Oke, kita balik aja sudah. Apa ini? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul a'udzu birabbin nas, malikin nas, ilahin nas, min syarril waswasil khannas, allazi yuwaswisu fi sudurin nas. Minal jinnati wan nas. Qul a'udzu birabbin nas, malikin nas, ilahin nas, min syarril waswasil khannas, allazi yuwaswisu fi sudurin nas. Jinnati wan nas. Jangan lari, jangan lari. Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah.
+3. From the Jupri Kareem channel, a hunter decided to camp alone in a forest that locals considered haunted. As night fell, he noticed a foul, pungent odor and heard strange noises surrounding his tent. When he looked toward the bushes, he saw a dark-faced entity peeking at him. He tried to approach the spot, but the figure vanished instantly. As he continued to scan the area with his light, the unsettling sounds followed him through the trees.
Mungkin di sebelah sana teman-teman, sumber suara itu.
In the middle of a plantation, a brave explorer chose to spend the night in a small hut where a woman had once gone missing. He wanted to see if the rumors of a tall, shrouded figure haunting the residence were actually true. Suddenly, a white shrouded entity appeared right in front of him. Instead of running away, he approached the figure and tried to strike it, only for the mysterious presence to return shortly after. He even joked about untying the figure's bindings, but the atmosphere remained heavy with a chilling energy.
Sangat mistis, kawan-kawan. Ternyata benar, kawan-kawan. Kalau di sini sering ada sosok. Nanti kalau pocong itu keluar lagi, nanti saya lepas tali pocongnya.
Wandi Sumatra, a creator known for visiting sacred locations, spent a night at a plantation hut with a dark history. While exploring the perimeter, he was hit by a sudden, overwhelming scent. Turning around, he discovered a shrouded figure standing directly behind him.
Astagfirullah. Astagfirullah.
He did not flee. Instead, he moved closer and threw a deterrent toward the entity, causing it to disappear into the night air.
Astagfirullah. La ilaha illallah.
A group of locals out at night stumbled upon a female spirit manifesting in the distance. As they tried to move away, they turned a corner only to find a tall, white-shrouded figure blocking their path. They zoomed in with their camera, confirming the sight of the entity standing clearly before their eyes.
Astagfirullahaladzim, ini udah mentok ini ya. Kayak pocong itu. Di mata kepala saya jelas banget. Oh iya itu tuh.
Iya.
Astagfirullahaladzim.
Kan.
La ilaha illallah.
Coba adzan.
Allahu Akbar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Azan.
Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah.
Desperate to clear the way, one of them began to chant a call to prayer. In a shocking moment, the figure appeared to catch fire and vanish as they continued their spiritual recitation.
Baru kali ini nih.
Hayya 'alas shalah, hayya 'alal falah, hayya 'alal falah. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. La
Itu masih di situ.
ilaha illallah. Masih di jalan. Astagfirullahaladzim. La ilaha illallah. La ilaha illallah.
Gede banget.
Following a previous escape from a haunted plantation, a traveler found himself lost in a different part of the forest. He realized he had taken a wrong turn and ended up in an even more isolated area. As he tried to find his way back, he realized the same shrouded figure from the plantation had followed him. The entity remained persistent, trailing him through the dense trees as he struggled to find safety.
Ke lokasi lama ya. Ini nggak salah jalan kayaknya. Saya malah nyasar ke sini ya. Oke, tadi saya di perkebunan waktu saya lari, tiba-tiba langsung nyasar ke sini. Di belakang teman-teman bisa lihat. Iya, salah jalan ini. Salah jalan. Oke. Apa ini? Allahu Akbar. La ilaha illallah. Kok ngikutin sampai sini? Iya, yang tadi. La ilaha illallah. Allahumma barik lana timbar.
an international ghost hunter ventured into a long-abandoned building to perform a ritual and communicate with the spirits. At first, the room remained silent, but as he called out, objects began to move on their own. Despite the activity, he stood his ground and remained in position.
Кто ты, скажи мне вслух. Если можешь, если не можешь, прекрати это. Кто ты?
His infrared camera eventually captured a clear and terrifying figure watching him from the darkness of the ruined structure.
Что за нахер?